Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how much is Huel. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who may have just heard about Huel. Which one or how much is Huel actually going to be? Now the one that I use is the Black Edition here. So this is a high protein complete meal. And if we go into the Black Edition, you're basically getting 17 meals for $2.65 per meal. They have a variety of different flavors to choose from. I've tried all the flavors and they're all honestly really good. I'd say my least favorite, I haven't tried unflavored or unsweetened, but my least favorite is salty caramel probably. But with that though, I really do love the chocolate. I like the strawberry shortcake, and I also like the cookies and cream. They all taste really, really good. Now as far as how much is Huel, it's $2.65 per meal. And if you do it on a subscription plan, you are going to save 20%, which is really good. And the really good thing about the subscription plan is that even if you set it to every 8 weeks, you can always extend your delivery time. So let's say that eight weeks comes and it's almost time for you to reorder Huel. You could actually extend it more weeks so that you're not doubling up more on Huel. So it's not a set subscription, meaning that it's going to guarantee to send you a Huel package every 8 weeks. But once 8 weeks comes, you could actually extend or skip delivery. So I find that very useful. But that is essentially how much Huel is, guys. There's other products that Huel sells, but I'd say the most popular one is their Black Edition. This is the one that I've been using for well over 8 months now. And yeah, it's really good as far as the pricing goes. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.